Okay, that's a 2171, not a 2165. 20-inch bar and chain. This is in excellent condition. This saw is nice. Powerful too. Got the heavy duty wrap handle, easy pull grip, starter. There's nothing broken. Fire department saw, they took care of it. They have to, because they have to be ready to go in an instant. They don't mess around. True fuel since it was new.